big waterfall. Pretty cool. I think we go down, cross, and then we get on top of there. I think. I could be wrong. And it's windy, by the way. Just another view of the waterfalls. It's really windy. Descending down into the valley or into the drainage. I think we're going to go down to the river and not climb up the other side to be on top of the waterfall. Just to get a view, see what the crossing's like. Some people down here hanging out. Woo. The wind's not as bad down here. It's still really windy, but my wind jacket is doing a great job. Heading down. Uh-oh. Right here. Somewhat of a steep slope. Pretty big waterfall. Pretty rapid river too. Heading down to the base of the waterfall. Started to feel the mist yet, but probably will when we're down there. All right, we're at the base, almost at the base of the beast. So the trail was incorrect again. It wasn't a straight vertical spike, but it was a climb. You know, it was like you were climbing up one of these cliffs, and there's no way that's where we're supposed to go. So basically just hike down to the base of the waterfall and then hike back up. It's got some company down here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then there's that other waterfall back in there, which you can't even see from here, but you can see from above. We're gonna get closer. There's actually a cairn right there. I'm not sure why. Yes, I'm still not feeling the mist, which is weird. This is Haifoss. Look at that flow right out of the snowmelt right there. This is straight snowmelt water. And it's coming from up, I guess upstream too. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's Haifoss. We're walking back around this way to see the other waterfall. It's tucked back in here. Where is it? I wonder how far this trail goes back in here. Look at that cool iceberg, or it's not an iceberg, you know, a big shelf of snow over there. This trail just keeps going. Keeps going back. I'm gonna take you with me the whole way. Uh-oh. We might have hit the end of the road here. I don't think I want to cross, yeah, you can't, well, yeah, you get on the other side, you get stuck. So I don't know what this one's called, unless it's Haifoss, but this is awesome. Well, we've climbed up this steep embankment, and we are walking precariously over here to get a better view of the iceberg and the unknown waterfall. And we can keep going. Let's keep going. Loose rock, loose wet rock everywhere. It's gonna start like an avalanche. Pretty much just did. So cool. So cool. We could even get out to that point. I think I'm gonna get out to that point right there. It'll be safe enough getting down there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll check in when I'm over at that point. Pretty damn spectacular. And I could get down right at the base. Oh yeah. was cold and I'm soaked, but that was well worth it. Now I'm gonna get back safely on the wet rocks, hopefully, and probably no more filming for this hike. But this is awesome. This was worth it. Definitely worth it. Oh, that was so cool. And as we're leaving, we get a rainbow. Not a very strong one, but a little bit of a rainbow cross right here. And the wind is not as bad coming back. Someone's got a drone up there. We've made it to Hjalparfoss. Not as cool as the waterfalls we just saw, but still cool. And then we can go play. We go play in the rocks down here. As we'll go all the way down to get a picture. There it is. Flows that way then. Pretty strong flow. Sort of got some basalt, the basalt column feature we'll see more of later. But yeah, that's it.